All right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar into Sunny France. I'm sitting here in the sun. I'm being cooked. I'm being boiled at the same time. Even the Frenchies are complaining, but hey, we have to push out some great tutorials here, so let's do it together. We have Ed Sheeran, A Little More, that's the title of this new song, and we have two chords that are played through an entire song. So let's go over the two chords. We have the G major 7 and the A minor 7. All right, so the setup here is capo on third, G major 7 goes third E. The next string I mute with my finger I'm using there, normally my mid finger, so I'll lean that on top of the next A string and that gets muted. Then we're gonna continue with open D, open G, third B, and second E. So that's a major G major 7 version of it. Next and final chord will be the A minor 7 with this added note of G. So that goes open A, second D, open G, first B, and third E. That's the added notes. So you're just gonna go back and forth between these two chords. Now let's take a look at the strumming pattern first. It goes like this with G. Okay, so we have two-part strumming here because we're gonna add in some cool notes extra to it later. So the first part will be down, up, clap. So down, up, clap. Second part will be down, up, clap. So it's one down, a short pause, and then up, clap. And if you put this together, it will be down, up, clap, down, up, clap. And you're gonna play two of these per chord. So you're just gonna alternate these G major 2 and A minor 7 2 like this. All right, now we can go to the next level and add in some cool stuff here. So you're gonna play the G major 1 full string around plus part 1 only. So down, up, clap, and then down, up, clap. And then we're gonna throw in the notes there. So like this. And once you play that down, up, clap, you're gonna play the following notes. That is played 3rd fret on E string in the bass. Then open D to second D, and then back to open D. And I use a hammer-on technique there, so I play the open D, and then I hammer on the second D, and then I go back and play the open D again. And then I finish off with the second A, and back to third E. So I play these notes here instead of playing part 2. So instead of playing the down, up, clap, and finish up the 2 rounds, I play these notes. And then I start the strumming on the A minor 7. The same here, you're gonna play 1 full round plus part 1, so. And then I play the following notes. And that is to play open A 2 times, then open D, and then open A to second A with the hammer-on technique. And I finish off with open A, and that's it. And then I go back to the G major 7 chord. So with this melody, it's played like this. And then you just keep on doing that, my friends. Ed Sheeran's A Little More. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.